Yo, what's up guys? It's AB Funk back with another video. My name is Andre and today we'll be unboxing two NASCAR diecasts. One of them is from 2023 Wave 8 and the other one from 2024 Wave 1. So the 2023 Wave 8 one is the Chase Briscoe High Point. And then the 2024 Wave 1 car is the Brad Keselowski Castrol Edge car. The patriotic paint scheme. So let's start off with the Chase Briscoe. Here is the sticker. And then here is the diecast. Very cool paint scheme. And yeah, that's the Chase Briscoe High Point 2023 paint scheme. Next up, the final car of this unboxing is the Brad Keselowski 2024 Wave 1 diecast. This diecast is from the 2023 season. It's a very cool paint scheme. And here is the diecast. Castrol Edge there. Very cool paint scheme. And yeah, that's the Brad Keselowski Castrol Edge car. So those are the two cars of this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and peace out.